Hello everyone and welcome to the session Technology Trends Recasting the Fashion Industry. This is not a training program, it's just an informative minutes. For whom and all the following content will be apt: designers, merchandiser, manufacturer and also the teachers. Yeah, AI and ML, artificial intelligence and machine learning. This is going to play a major role in our fashion industry. According to the McKinsey, the leading 20% of global fashion brands are generating 144% of industry profits. It's already get kickstarted. Our major brand players are driven into investing in artificial intelligence and machine learning. To remain relevant to the industry, we have to know all these elements. As said, it starts our footprint in all three areas: designing, manufacturing, and retail. Apparel designing. By artificial intelligence, apparel designing is getting evolved. AI-powered methods highly integrated with the customer needs and preference like colors, textures, and other elements. In manufacturing process, the AI is used to identify trends and self-details in very fast manner, provides instant delight to the customer by knowing the seasonal demands, and producing the right number and a right type of latest clothing. In virtual merchandising, AI-enabled techs like VR and AR are the bridge between the online and in-store shopping experience. Very big brands are creating this immersive experience solution to remain and expand their customer base. AI in fashion design, a clothing designer. But in the beginning, the field of artificial intelligence and creativity have been often misunderstood each other. But actually, AI tools help designers to create winning designs very quickly. When it comes to creativity, fashion designers are frequently using artificial intelligence as a tool for innovation and improvement for a greener future and refining the designs through suggestions from other numerous successful designs. Let's check over with a case study now. The left side image is the collection of successful design. The right side is grouped by the artificial intelligence based on multiple factors like similar styles, patterns, colors, and many more. These are the designs generated by artificial intelligence on combining two different feature design and help designers to create unique products in addition to maintaining brand style and integrity with the help of old data. These are the results. Finally, human and AI collaborated designs were designed and want the multiple levels and feasibilities. Fashion 3D printing. Up to now, the designer has designed a product with two-dimensional canvas like hand sketches, Illustrator, or CorelDRAW, and then create one or more cost-intensive prototype and sample collection before the product could go into mass production. These cost drivers can now be replaced by a virtual 3D simulation. In addition to that, 3D printing makes a big impact on prototyping. 3D printing can significantly expand creative possibilities for the fashion designer. Indeed, it makes it possible to create complex shapes without molds. However, these are not producing day-to-day life products, but it's going to play a vital role in mainstream. Now we can see a short video about 3D printing.
I really like the result. It looks a little bit like lace. And it moves beautifully. Just imagine the potential.
Designer Ruth E. Carter won the Oscar for costume design. In this project, Black Panther movie, Highly notable elements are achieved through 3D printing. Practical uses of 3D printers are creating accessories and building prototypes. Soon, 3D printers will lead to big impact in the industry. Additional to the evolution of methodology, it will be going to use for sustainable and eco-friendly purposes. There is a project which Adidas creating personalized sneaker midsole with recycled plastic from the oceans and seas. Artificial intelligence in manufacturing. Blockchain. Why is the blockchain in the fashion industry a good thing? We can monitor deliveries to reduce failure items, manage the supply chain. What is the promise of blockchain to the fashion industry? Transparency at all levels. Blockchain is the technology behind Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other all cryptocurrencies. In other words, blockchain is a shared digital ledger. It's constantly updated list of transactions of peer-to-peer. Either it's a public or private network. This makes it easier for both consumer and manufacturer to maintain records of the product warranties, guarantees, and verifiable records. This will increase the employee welfare by reducing product recalls. This helps the small businesses in reducing wastage and unnecessary costs associated with returns and recalls. In current state, the flow is linear. In future, centralized networks. This avoids single point failure affect the entire system. This is market report done by ID Tech X about wearable technology forecast 2020-2030. Our takeaway from the report is e-textiles and AR, VR and MR. Textile is nothing but wearable smart textiles. Our most percentage of lives are bound with textiles. Those highly contacted thing of everyone is getting revolution as like electronics, as say smart shirts. These are the smart shirts. This will work like a sensors and transmit the data to the monitors. Smart mattress covers. These are the smart mattress covers. This will get the data of patients and alert the system and perform the action to avoid impacts like pressure ulcer and lot other diseases. Google Jacquard. Google developed a special fabric and weaving technology to convert our everyday clothes into interactive surfaces. User can personalize the things based on their day-to-day needs. Self-ventilating workout suit. These are self-ventilating workout suit. The leaves-like structure flaps are microbial cell lined. They are able to shrink and expand. The cells in the flaps work like a sensors. When an athlete walks up, has a sweat, these flaps will open and cool off the body, and the flaps closed after that. Next, AI in fashion retail. AR, VR, MR, augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality. AR, VR, MR. In the fashion industry is nothing but virtual trial room, virtual storeroom, realistic immersive catalogs. This is the short video explains about what is VR, AR and MR.
VR. Virtual reality creates a simulated reality by having the user wear a head-mounted display which covers their entire field of vision with 3D computer-generated imagery. Using sensitive head tracking, immersive sound, and motion controls, VR creates an illusion that the brain has trouble distinguishing from reality. This unique feeling of truly being in a virtual space is called presence, and it is the signature sensation that makes VR unique. A VR user cannot see or hear the world or the people standing right next to them. VR can take you to any place you can imagine, but to do so, it takes you out of the place you actually are. But what if we could add something virtual to the space we actually occupy? That is where AR, or augmented reality, comes in. Best known examples of AR use smartphone cameras to add real-time information overlays to the environment, but AR can also overlay on reality through transparent displays mounted in glass, or it can be projected onto surfaces. AR programs can use special target images to display objects in 3 dimensions, and increasingly AR can recognize surfaces and project 3D objects anywhere. The gap between virtual reality and augmented reality is closing, and it is now recognized as a spectrum of possibility, a spectrum we call mixed reality. New technologies are already on the market that combine the head tracking of VR with transparent displays that make digital objects seem to occupy the real space. Current gen technology tends to project a translucent hologram-like appearance. There is no doubt that visual fidelity will continue to improve. Right now, a lot of people see these technologies as a tool for entertainment and marketing. The possible applications for industrial use, medical use, teleconferencing, the possibilities are truly exciting. And speaking of the future of technology, there are a lot of unknowns.
These are just an example of virtual storerooms and smart mirrors. Customers' expectations. The fashion and beauty industries are busy looking at how augmented and virtual reality can transform our shopping habits and making clothing more fun. This shift won't happen in a week, but customers can already try out a new look using special tools or attend extravagant events simply by putting on VR headset. And this is just a beginning. Thank you.